Tesla's full self-driving, or FSD, is an advanced driver assistance system designed for Tesla vehicles like the Model X. Let's explore what makes this technology unique and how it works. FSD builds upon Tesla's existing autopilot system, adding advanced AI capabilities for more complex driving tasks. It uses a combination of cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors to perceive the environment around the vehicle. The system relies on advanced driver assistance systems technologies, including multiple cameras for visual detection, radar for distance measurement, and ultrasonic sensors for close-range obstacle detection. These work together to enable features like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking. FSD includes powerful features like Navigate on Autopilot, which handles highway driving including lane changes and exits. It also supports city streets navigation for more complex urban environments, though this requires more driver attention. As of late 2025, FSD is classified as Level 2 autonomy, meaning it enhances driving but is not fully self-driving. Drivers must remain attentive, keep hands on the wheel, and be ready to take control at any moment. Always follow local laws and regulations when using FSD. FSD is available as a one-time purchase around $10,000 or a monthly subscription around $99 per month in the US. Tesla also offers a limited FSD starter plan for $5,000 focusing on basic highway features. Purchase options may vary by region, with prices around €8,000 in Germany. Check the Tesla app or website for current pricing and availability in your area. The 2025 Model X comes standard with the necessary FSD V2 hardware, which includes advanced cameras, sensors, and computing power for self-driving capabilities. However, older Model X models from before 2021 might not have the required hardware and may need an upgrade at a Tesla service center. This upgrade typically costs between $1,000 and $2,000. Contact Tesla service to confirm your vehicle's hardware compatibility and schedule an upgrade if needed. You can check your current software and hardware details through the vehicle's settings screen. After purchasing FSD, the installation begins with an over-the-air update. Make sure your Model X is connected to Wi-Fi and parked in a safe location. If your Model X requires hardware upgrades for FSD compatibility, you'll need to visit a Tesla service center. This typically costs between $1,000 and $2,000 and takes about 1 to 2 hours. Once the update is complete, you'll need to complete a safety briefing through the Tesla app or vehicle interface. This ensures you understand FSD's limitations and responsibilities. Finally, perform a calibration drive to align the vehicle's cameras and sensors. Drive at low speeds while following on-screen instructions, typically involving pitch verification and sensor checks. Tesla's full self-driving includes Navigate on Autopilot, which handles highway driving tasks like lane changes and exits. Smart Summon allows your Model X to maneuver in tight parking spaces or garages using your smartphone controls. City Streets navigation enables driving on local roads, handling traffic lights and pedestrians. FSD operates as a Level 2 autonomy system, meaning it assists with steering, acceleration, and braking, but requires constant driver supervision. Drivers must keep hands on the wheel, eyes on the road, and be prepared to take over at any moment. FSD may be disabled in geofenced areas like school zones and struggles in adverse weather or construction zones. FSD relies on several key hardware components that work together to gather environmental data. The Tesla Model X is equipped with 8 surround cameras positioned strategically around the vehicle. A forward-facing radar behind the front bumper detects objects and measures their speed and distance. 12 ultrasonic sensors in the bumpers provide close-range detection for parking and obstacles. The software component uses advanced AI to interpret all this sensor data. This physics-aware simulation demonstrates how the neural networks process environmental data to make driving decisions. The system predicts safe paths by analyzing inputs from all sensors in real time. Tesla is integrating FSD with its Optimus robot software for shared learning, allowing AI improvements to benefit both autonomous driving and robotics. Governments are pushing for standardized testing and data recording, with requirements like black box recorders for FSD vehicles starting in 2026. Subscriptions are becoming more popular, now accounting for 70% of FSD activations, appealing to cost-conscious buyers. Tesla aims for Level 4 autonomy by 2028, with FSD potentially becoming unsupervised in limited areas. Expect increased focus on AI ethics, multimodal sensing like LiDAR to enhance reliability, and potential expansion to non-Tesla vehicles in the future. FSD is not a replacement for attentive driving. While it provides advanced assistance, the driver must always be fully engaged and ready to intervene. Always remain vigilant and be prepared to take control. Keep your hands on the wheel, eyes on the road, and maintain awareness of the vehicle's actions at all times. Monitor the vehicle's behavior and surroundings. Pay attention to how FSD responds to traffic, pedestrians, and changing conditions, and be ready to correct any issues. Understand that FSD has limitations and can make mistakes. It may struggle in complex scenarios like construction zones, adverse weather, or unexpected obstacles. Prioritize safety and follow all local traffic laws. FSD must comply with regulations in your area, and you remain legally responsible for the vehicle's operation. Remember, FSD is an evolving technology. Stay informed about updates and potential issues through Tesla's app, website, and official communications.